What's up, Buzz? Welcome to Wanna Buy It. Today we're going to be quick reviewing the Tozo T6s. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button down below so you guys can be updated when I post new videos. And as always, with all these products, the link will be down in the description below. When you guys click that, I do get a small profit from it, and it does help the channel so I can get more products to review for you guys. So let's get to this review. All right, Buzz, since this is a quick review, you know, new style, we're gonna run through it real quick. This is the box you get with it. Bada bing, bada boom. This is what it looks like. You get all these heads. Normally you get your headphones in here as well, but I already tried it and tested it out. And then you get your headphones in there. Now with your headphones, they charge up in there. They connect pretty quick. Right when you open it up, it connects to your phone. You just go to your Bluetooth and you see it, and you just throw them in there. This is what they look like. You can kind of feel the weight in them. You just take your little headphone out easily like this, and it's super magnet. So right when you just drop in there, it just sucks it right up easily. Boom. Now with your headphone, you can put a whole bunch of different earpieces in to get it smaller so you can fit your ear size. The first one that was on this was too bulky for me, and it felt like it was about to fall out of my ear. So when you're using the earbud can last up to 6 hours in your ear, and then the case has 24 hours worth of charge in it. So after you're done throwing it in there, let it charge back up and get another 6 hours off of one use. So sound quality. The sound quality is really even and balanced. The bass doesn't drown out the rest of the sounds. House music and deep bass like rap songs and stuff, they're fine, doesn't drown each other out. No, it's really balanced. I just say the volume's not super loud on these like I was hoping they would be, but it's okay. As long as it doesn't sound crappy, it does sound really clear. So one reason I got these, because I wanted to see what all the hype was about, because I have Apple AirPods already. And AirPods were bugging me. For people that have the first generation AirPods, the connection time is so long sometimes, and it's most of the time, and it's freaking annoying. So I got these, and I want to say the connection time is almost about the same, sometimes even more annoying and worse than the first generation AirPods. Yeah, like I said, with AirPods, sometimes you can pick them up and you put them right in, they connect really fast. But most of the time, people know with AirPods, when you pick them up, connect, nothing, you're waiting, you take it out, put it back in the case, pull it back out the case, connect in, and you do that 3 times, 2 times, sometimes, and it's annoying. What's annoying about this is the voice talking thing, like, oh, you are connected. Because you'll put one in and you're waiting like 7 seconds, it finally connects, you are connected, and you're talking on the phone to someone, yeah, blah, 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 and you put in the other one, then it's like, oh, connecting 1, connecting 2, you are connected. And for that 3 or 4 seconds it's saying and doing all that, you can't hear the person that you're talking to on the phone. So I wish when you put the other one in, it would just automatically connect like the AirPods. That is pretty annoying with this. It does have wireless charging, so you can just throw it on your little charging pad and it'll charge up, no problem. Don't have to worry about plugging anything into it. So the range for these earbuds are about 10 meters from your phone to the earbuds. So that's basically about from your door to across the street to your neighbor's door across the street. That's basically the distance of it. So again, they could last for about like 5 to 6 hours in your ear. It takes an hour to charge them all the way back up to get another 5 or 6 hours. The case takes about an hour to get the 24 hours battery in the case. So the Tozo T6s are going for about either $50 or $40. I don't remember, in that range. Are they better than AirPods? No, they're not. They are really good for the price though. These are really good for that price. Not too many earbuds are better than AirPods. Trust me, I have AirPods, they're great. And trust me, I have AirPods and they make me so mad. So that's why I've been buying something different and see if there's something that can compete with it. This one is not better than the AirPods, but it is not that far behind it. So there you have it, Buzz. That's a little quick review on this. If you're looking for some true wireless headphones, definitely check these out. The link is down in the description below. If it's $50 to $40, that's definitely a steal for these. You get what you're paying for. You get really good quality for these. And the only thing I really don't like about that is the little talking assistant thing. I've been trying to figure out through the papers how to turn that off. If you know, leave in the comments below, because I think that's the only down part about this, and that's not really a big deal. I'm just picky. So, all right, Buzz, if you like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. And as always, Buzz, if there's a product I like, I'm definitely gonna tell you about it so you guys won't miss out. I'll see you guys in the next review. Peace.